The complaints about AI in classrooms sound the same everywhere. It generates generic answers, students are copying and pasting essays, it kills real thinking. These complaints are an accurate reflection of the current reality. Walk into almost any school today, and you'll find students taking massive shortcuts, handing in work that looks polished but lacks any deep understanding. But placing the blame on the AI model misses the actual mechanism at work. The technology, the neural network processing the data, is not the source of this decay. If the results are this shallow across the board, we must look at whether the issue is the intelligence itself or the specific way we deliver it to the student. Right now, most students are interacting with a raw interface. It is a single blank box with one prompt and one answer, offering no boundaries and no expectations of reasoning. Look at the operational incentive of a general-purpose chatbot. By design, the system optimizes for quick, frictionless completion of whatever task it is given. On the other side of the screen, the student has an opposing incentive. When presented with a frictionless shortcut, human behavior naturally optimizes for minimum cognitive effort. When these two incentives collide in a blank box, the output is inevitably shallow. Instead of a raw text box, we wrap the model in a special purpose layer. This is an interface wrapper engineered for pedagogy rather than simple task execution. The core function of this layer is friction. We apply hard constraints directly into the system's instructions so that it cannot provide finalized answers to the user. This change in environment shifts the tool's identity. A passive vending machine that dispenses answers becomes an active scaffolding system. Instead of generating essays, the constrained AI hits the outer boundary, asking why. The AI continually challenges the student to refine, expand, and improve their initial thoughts before progressing. This friction forces the cognitive load back onto the student. By making the user do the heavy lifting, the AI becomes a thinking partner. The code was never the threat to education. The way the interface was designed was the actual risk. The actual question educators must ask is, are we exposing students to raw chatbots or to systems engineered to teach them how to think? That layer between the machine and the student is the single variable that will dictate the future of learning.